Everybody just stay back while the track crew attends.
First of all, go watch that full video if you haven't yet. It's freaking insane. Secondly, that's why that little piece right there is required on these pulling trucks. So the story that I've heard, and feel free to correct me if I'm wrong, is that the reason that that engine ran away on that Duramax was that the plunger stuck in the injection pump. And the reason it started hopping like it was is because the driver let back out on the clutch to save the engine from free revving and potentially absolutely grenading the engine. Obviously, he heard a bunch of other stuff, probably drivetrain, body-wise, but still probably cheaper than an engine. That's why I tell anybody who's getting into these high horsepower builds with diesels to have a guillotine, an air shutoff for the intake. And you can get them to where you can have them with an air filter on them as well. We have one on every one of our high horsepower builds. Obviously, you just saw the sled pulling truck. The one for America is over here because she's apart. But then we also have one on our Cummins powered monster truck. It is super cheap insurance. Thankfully, that driver was able to get up and reach his and get it shut down with the guillotine. But definitely a scary event and something you hope you never have to encounter. Also, it's very good to know that the driver is okay. Sucks to happen because that truck was a freaking runner from the videos I saw of it before, but I'm sure they're going to rebuild and they're going to be back.